Today I've got 2 tips for you for the price of 1. We're going to talk about what to do before you call the plumber for a slow running drain. I've got a great drain cleaner. You're going to take 1 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of table salt. Pour it down the drain right over the opening. You will follow that with some heated water, and I'd like you to have it boiling, so be careful. Chase that down the drain, let it sit 30 minutes, and when you come back, flush with cold water. And one more quick drain cleaner that's so easy. 1 quart of warm water, 1 tablespoon of washing soda. Mix it together, pour it down the drain, step away for 30 minutes again. Come back, turn on the cold water and flush. No plumber needed. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.